Bro, I wanna buy a JDM car.
Bro, do you know of any Nissan 350Z on sale because I want to make it a drift car?
Bro, do you know of any classic cars on sale which I can daily drive? Do you know where can I find them? Here it is. Welcome to another episode of Tuner India, where I am going to talk about all the potential tuner cars that are currently available for sale in India. These cars are listed on classified websites online, so I'm going to put down all the links in the description for you guys to find them, call the owners directly and buy them if you guys are interested. Precisely a year back I made a similar video, and today I'm back at it again because there are a lot of cars that are available for sale, and these are real enthusiast cars that you can find. So let's start with them. The first one is an Infiniti G37 Hot Top Convertible, which was available between 2010 to 2015, equipped with a VQ37 VHR engine generating about 348 bhp. Now this is the same engine that was also equipped in the Nissan 370Z in a different tune, but the engine was exactly the same. Aftermarket parts for this car are available in abundance because the people take these cars for racing and drifting worldwide. So acquiring these parts will be a little difficult in India, but you can always import them. Considering the price at 40 lakhs, it is a little higher, but considering the rarity of this car, there might only be about 2 or 3 in the country. The price is justifiable. The second one is the Nissan 370Z itself. Now this car doesn't need any sort of introduction because it's a proper enthusiast car wanted by everyone. It was available between 2009 to 2020, equipped with a 3.7 liter naturally aspirated VQ37 VHR engine generating anywhere about 350 bhp. Now this car was also officially launched in India, and there might be about 30 to 40 cars according to me in the country, many of them manuals and many of them automatics, but this one is for sure an automatic. Now the price for this car is about 40 lakhs, which is a little higher, but these cars are now discontinued. That means you cannot buy them new. So if you want one, that's the price in the used car market. There are two Toyota Crowns currently available on sale, one priced upwards of 5 lakhs, another one priced upwards of 9 lakhs. The price on these cars is very high considering these cars are out of 90s, and these cars are equipped with 2JZ GE naturally aspirated engine generating about 230 bhp. The same engine was also equipped in the famous Toyota Supra, but Toyota Supras also had the turbocharged version of the 2JZ GE. Crowns were only available with naturally aspirated 2JZ GEs and automatic transmissions. Converting them into manuals is also possible. Turbocharging the 2JZ GE is also possible, generating good amount of power. Now these cars were the comfort cars of that time, but you guys can also take them for drifting, for racing and for a lot of things that you want to do. Again, there are two Toyota Mark IIs currently available on sale, both petrols. One is the JZX90 and one is the JZX110. Both are the same cars but different generations. One equipped with a 2 liter naturally aspirated engine, second equipped with a 1JZ GE FSE engine, which is again a naturally aspirated engine. Considering the 1JZ GE, this also has a lot of potential as you can convert them to manuals and turbocharge them too. JZX90 Mark IIs and JZX10 Mark IIs or all the Toyota Mark IIs are used majorly in drifting across the world. You will see all these cars in a lot of drifting competitions too. Also you will see a lot of stunts cars and people daily drive them too. There is a Mazda RX-8 for sale too. Priced at 22 lakhs, this car is priced very high considering there are no parts available in India. Rotary engines are very nasty because you know how unreliable these cars are, and if it is a naturally aspirated engine, turbocharging will be a little difficult, but if it is a turbocharged engine, you can tune them to bonkers numbers. It's a 2-rotor turbocharged engine. Drift them, race them, daily drive them. These are superb looking sports cars, but again considering the nastiness of the rotary engines, the price is a little high. Surprisingly, there is a BMW E85 Z4 currently available for sale. These cars are very rare in India. There might just not be more than 10 cars in the country. This current one is equipped with a 3 liter engine with an automatic transmission generating 260 bhp. These cars did a 0 to 100 time of 5.6 seconds. Aftermarket parts are majorly available in the market. You can turbocharge them, you can supercharge them, you can take them for drifting, you can stance them out, or you can also daily drive them because these are superb looking sports cars. The next one is a Lexus Ls430. It was available between 2001 to 2006, equipped with a 4.3 liter 3UZ FE naturally aspirated V8 engine generating about 290 bhp. These cars used to compete the S classes of that time, and these cars are super comfortable chauffeur driven cars used by the Yakuzas of Japan too. Now you will see a lot of stanced cars because generally people tend to daily drive these cars. And the price on this car is also about 7 lakhs, which is a very good price to buy. The last one is the Nissan 350Z. There are two Nissan 350Zs available, both manuals, one coupe, one convertible, available between 2003 to 2009, equipped with 3.5 liter VQ35DE naturally aspirated V6 engines, generating about 300 bhp. Majorly you will see these cars drifting, and if you want to see all varieties and all sorts of tuned Nissan 350Zs and all stunts cars, you need to go check out Zocity on Instagram and you will see lot of Z cars there. This is it. I am going to come up with more videos as such when there are newer cars available on sale. So if you do not want to miss any of my videos, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon, and I'll see you next time.